Alright guys, welcome to the garage. Today we're going to do a quick little overview of some hardware we're going to be using on the Canam X3 as we get prepped for the 2024 NorCal Side-by-Side Short Course Series, where we run this 2022 Canam X3. Unfortunately, last season made a pretty big mistake in the last round. First heat, got sideways on the face of a jump and went for a pretty big tumble. Did quite a bit of damage to the car.
All right. All right, we're good. My rib. Ooh, all right, there's the car. Shredded to pieces. All right, let's get it back. Damn. All right, that was pretty bad. Fucking toasted the cage.
Fortunately, we were able to get the car back together and seal the deal and win the points lead in championship, so that was pretty cool. Through the off season, we've done quite a bit of work trying to get this car back on its feet and ready to race. So one of the parts that we're going to look at today are the Geiser Performance number plates. We've been running these since our very first race, and I figured time to hang these up on the trophy wall. Each year we were able to bend them back into place after any impact, but I think these ones had their last round on them. So we ended up ordering another set of these. These are the Desert series. They also have a drag series, and the difference is one is 9 inches tall and the drag is 7 inches tall. I like the bigger ones so you can run bigger numbers, be a little bit more visible. Beautiful aluminum fabricated part, powder coated black, TIG welded. Already have the holes pre-cut and clearance for the cage. It's really a turnkey item. Just bolts right on top of the factory bodywork. I really like the way these look on the car. I'll post some pictures of the way they fit on the car from the last season. Geiser makes a variety of parts for these Canams. I think they also fabricate these for Evo. This is the rear bed delete. But anyways, just want to do a quick little documentation series of the parts we run on this car in case anybody else wants to get into this hobby. It's really best bang for the buck in terms of racing. I mean, being able to jump and land in a slide and run on a variety of surfaces has just been a really fun car to drive. So we'll go through more of the parts in detail. Stick along. We'll be doing one video each day. I think we're about 3 weeks out. Right now, we're super tight on budget. I'm not even sure how we're gonna get the car there, but we're gonna give it our best. So stick along. We'll go through some of the HDR suspension, Hess Motorsport steering rack, the steering quickener, what quick disconnect steering wheel system we're using, the steering wheel, the beautiful Fabworks cage, the ZRP components. Got some new stuff from them. Double E Racing sway bars, and I'll try to give my input, what's nice to have, what's need to have, what the cost is, and then we'll hopefully make it to the first round and we'll give some input on how these things work. So stay tuned and thank you for watching. All right, we're gonna go ahead and install the passenger side number plate. So we're gonna use factory Torx M6x16 hardware and some nylock flange nuts. On this rear one, we're gonna use a washer on the bottom to keep it from pulling through the plastic. And I have a screwdriver in the front to help align the number plate through the bodywork through the rear bed delete. So go ahead and drop this rear screw in here first. Washer nut on. Pretty simple process here. Even with the roll cage a little bit in the way, I'll go ahead and these ones up here could be a little bit fussy sometimes because you are aligning 3 panels together. Got that one in. Man, they go in pretty easy. No real binding or anything. You just gotta kind of move the plastic in place. Got those in. Go ahead and remove your screwdriver and drop this front piece in there. And just as easy as that. Some number plates in the back. And that's it. We'll just get our driver here with a M27 Torx bit. Tag on the bottom. Just a light little bit of torque. No need to stress the bodywork. Depending on the cage, I say runs pretty tight against this, but still got pretty good amount of clearance there. And then the last screw here. It's got the least amount of room, but there it is. We're all snug up. I'll go ahead and grab the camera and show you guys what that looks like from this side. All right, and here's a quick look of the final install of the Geiser Performance number plates on the back of the X3. Again, these are the 9-inch tall desert spec number plates. I really like the way these turned out. Very easy to install, nice powder coated black, fabricated aluminum sheet metal piece. The guys at Geiser Performance are awesome. The customer service was real quick and easy to deal with. Tomorrow we'll address some parts on the front end of the car. I think we'll get the new ZRP hubs on there and go through the install process of that. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.